Hello, everyone. You're welcome to Eating Intentionally, a place where we discuss about health and nutrition. One of the key factors in human survival is nutrition. Indeed, it has been said that you are what you eat, and this is very important for all ages. I am your host, Elizabeth Adewale. Today, I want to talk about the general health benefit of honey and the more reason why you must have it and use it daily. Like I said in my former video, why honey? Honey is so rich in nutrients, which gives it a better source of nutritional sweetness in our daily feeding. The nutrition content of honey varies by its origin and other factors. Generally, 1 teaspoon of honey, that is 21 grams, contains 64 calories and 17 grams of sugar. Other smaller amount of the following micronutrients, that is vitamins and minerals, are also available. We have calcium, magnesium, manganese, niacin, pantothenic acid, phosphorus, potassium, riboflavin, zinc. In addition, raw honey is a source of varying amount of amino acids, enzymes, and other beneficial compounds. The following are the general health benefits of honey. Number 1, honey is a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help to protect your body from cell damage due to free radicals. Raw honey contains an array of plant chemicals that act as antioxidants. Some types of honey have as many antioxidants as fruits and vegetables. Research shows that antioxidant compounds in raw honey called polyphenols have anti-inflammatory effects that could be beneficial in protecting against a number of conditions associated with oxidative stress. Free radicals contribute to the aging process and may also contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Also, raw honey may have potential protective effects for the respiratory, gastrointestinal, cardiovascular, and nervous system, and even has potential in cancer treatment. Number 2, honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties. The potential for both internal and topical treatments using raw honey is significant. Research has shown that the propolis in raw honey has antifungal and antibacterial properties. The effectiveness as an antibacterial or antifungal varies depending on the honey, although some varieties are being studied for specific therapeutic uses such as against candida-associated infections. Number 3, honey heals wounds. Research carried out in 2018 found that honey has antimicrobial properties. In 2017, review of studies also suggested that honey, propolis, and raw have potential health benefits for microbial inhibition and wound healing. Keep in mind that the honey used in research settings is medical grade, meaning it's inspected and sterile. It's not a good idea to treat cuts with honey you buy from a store. Always speak with your doctor before using honey for any medical purposes. Number 4, phytonutrient powerhouse. Phytonutrients are compounds found in plants that help protect the plant from harm. For example, some keep insects away or shield the plant from ultraviolet radiation. The phytonutrients in honey are responsible for its antioxidant properties, as well as its antibacterial and antifungal power. They are also thought to be the reason raw honey has shown immune boosting and anti-cancer benefits. Every processing in regular honey can destroy these valuable nutrients. Honey can help to treat digestive issues. Number 5. Honey is sometimes used to treat digestive issues such as diarrhea, though research to show that it works is limited. It may have potential as treatment for stomach ulcer also. Honey contains beneficial probiotics, meaning it nourishes the good bacteria that live in the intestines, which are crucial not only for digestion but overall health. Number 6. Honey soothes a sore throat and cough. Honey is an old sore throat remedy that soothes the ache and can help with coughs. Add it to a hot tea with lemon when a cold virus hits. Research suggested that honey could be superior to other forms of care for the improvement of upper respiratory tract infection. It also suggested that the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties are effective for helping a sore throat. Number 7. Honey has brain benefits. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects can benefit many parts of the body, including brain health. There may even be some cognitive benefits to raw honey. The polyphenols in honey can be able to counter inflammation in the hippocampus, the part of brain involved in memory. Indeed, honey is very important in our daily living. Don't forget, if you need a quality honey, indicate in the comment section below. Now that you have the knowledge and power, please take action to remain healthy. If you enjoyed the video and you have learned something, please give it a thumbs up because that makes me feel encouraged. And don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know anytime I do a new video. Make comments, like the video and ask questions. And I will surely answer. I make videos on health and nutrition. Always remember that it is better to live to eat than eat to live. For more videos, check the description box below. I will see you in the next video. Bye.